Hello, this is Arnold from Steelmamais. I will introduce the 800 roofing tile machine. Our roofing tile machine uses the gear-driven system. This is the gear-driven system. The gear is better than chain because the gap between gear is much smaller than the chain. You see, every station we use the gear. And for the motor, we use 7.5 kilowatt servo motor. This is the servo motor. We have CE logo, CE certificate, and 7.5 kilowatt servo motor. The servo motor is speed is much faster than the normal motor, and the machine, the precision is also much better than the normal roofing tile machines. So you can see we use 13 stations rollers to form the 800 type roofing tile machine. And hydraulic pump, we use the Huada brand hydraulic valve. And we also have the cooling system. We use 5.5 kilowatt motor. All of this one is for get much faster speed, because normal roofing tile machine only can up to 2 to 4 meters per minute. Our machine can up to 4 to 6 meters per minute. So our roofing tile machine is much faster than the normal machine. So if you need a roofing machine or any other reforming machine, please contact us. We are from Steelmamais. Thank you. Bye bye.